Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching camera and selecting cinematic mode. This is where you control depth and focus shifts. Tap a subject to lock focus, and then tap another to set the plane of focus. This tells the phone when to rack. Once done, set resolution and frame rate in Settings Camera so you match your project needs. Higher quality uses more space. Make sure to stabilize the phone with a tripod or steady grip to avoid unwanted focus hunting while you shoot. Now you frame and actively control focus transitions. Compose using the grid and keep subjects at different depths to maximize cinematic separation. Distance creates the effect. Tap the screen to shift focus during recording or press, and hold a subject for AE/AF lock to prevent exposure jumps. While filming, nudge exposure with the slider and use portrait lighting for consistent skin tones. Move the camera slowly. Deliberate motion gives the algorithm clean data to perform smooth rack focus. Finish the take by reviewing clips in Photos, trim and pick your best moments. You can edit depth after capture. Open Edit, then tap the depth control to increase or decrease blur, or tap subjects in the timeline to change focus points. This non-destructive control is why you shoot cinematic. If the phone misfocuses, make sure iOS is up to date, restart the camera app, or toggle cinematic mode off and on. That usually clears focus hunting glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.